Good morning, it's June 1st, 2011. This is John from Betty Nicks Bait and Tackle, Seaside Park, New Jersey, and BettyNicks.com with your daily boating, fishing, and weather conditions report. We're on 9th Avenue right now. Looks like we got a boat that might be into some bunker here. I'll keep it on him for like a minute maybe. Well, they're there for a reason. They're no more than 50 yards off the beach, probably just at a casting range. What else is new? Conditions are perfect today. 1 to 2 footers, white water, nice and clean. We got a light southeast wind. We're supposed to get some thunderstorms later on. I checked the radar, and from what I saw, it doesn't look like we're getting them till at least 2 o'clock this afternoon, if that. We'll keep you abreast of the situation. Well, I don't see these guys hooking up, so I don't know what they're doing, if they're netting or they're fighting a fish now. I don't know, I don't see any bent rods. But anyway, water's clean, conditions are perfect, weather's beautiful. Get out there. Peace.